Hey there, welcome to this training video. It is your marketing business, whatever experts here, my goals here. This is like the fifth video I've done today, you guys. So my intro is a little like yada, yada, yada. Anyway, so I'm going to cut straight to the chase here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a secret page from your website to your email landing page as like the URL redirect, like a success thing. Confirmation. Now, the reason you want to do that is kind of twofold. Number one, you want to make sure that you're taking advantage of the window of opportunity. The window of opportunity, right? So every time somebody gets on your list or connects with you or, lands on your site, that's your opportunity to connect with them and connect them to your business, service, product, or idea that's going to help them with whatever it is that they are there to search for. So if you're not being strategic and taking advantage of those opportunities, you are essentially leaving money on the table. And I want you to build a thriving, successful business and create lifestyle freedom, which is what I've been able to do using my social media, my strategic marketing, direct response marketing. So this is all of my 10 plus years of experience. Well, not 10 plus years. I would say the better part of 10 years of experience in business. And that is what I'm showing you here. So first of all, I use Wix for my website. If you're looking for tips and training on Wix, you can find that somewhere else. I've used in the past WordPress, Squarespace, Weebly, Blogger, like all of the major platforms. And I've just decided to go with Wix. So regardless of what web platform you're on, it should kind of be the same thing. So, but if you are on Wix, this is a double bonus because you'll get to see exactly what it would look like on yours. So as you can see here on my website, there are a lot of hidden pages. A lot of them. So here's the one I'm currently on, and I've just done a little drop down menu here, and I click on the ones that say hide because it'll hide it from the main menu. I just only want people to find this page if I'm specifically directing them to that through the confirmation URL via the email that they just signed up for. So I've gone ahead, and what I did was I just have one page like this, and then I just duplicate it. So this is what I call my course opt-in confirmation page. And my goal is so you always got to think, by the way, okay, what is the goal of this? Why am I making this post? What is the purpose of it? Now, I've went ahead, and what I did was I turned off, if I go to the layouts here, I turned off the header and the footer so that it's literally just this, so that it's very focused. I want them doing one thing on this page, and that one thing is now also getting from my email list onto my Facebook Messenger list. Okay, so my Facebook opt-in list. So that's what I want them to do. So I've gone ahead and I've made the page secret. I put the sign up information there. I grabbed the link from my bot. Now, if you don't have a bot, number one, I have a bot basics course where I teach you how to integrate a bot, how to, use a bot to get more traffic to your blog or your email list. The bots basics course, I'll put the information down below. I will be doing a live and also self-paced courses throughout this year. So you can go ahead if you want to hop on that list. Get in on that. I do invite people to come and join the course from the email first. So anyone who is on the email list will get priority enrollment invitation and status. So here's what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead then and go to the SEO, and I'm going to click on advanced. And when you click on, that's not what I wanted. I'm not going to do anything fancy with SEO here just because it's a page that's hidden. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to go down and edit this and say Facebook bot basics confirmation opt-in. Okay, go like that, and then I'm going to go to the URL. This allows me to get there without having to publish the page first. Okay, because if if this isn't a page on your list, well, how do you get to the URL? So if you're on Wix, just go to SEO and then go down and click on go to URL and then copy and paste it from there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over to my email list. I use ConvertKit. By the way, anything that I'm using in business, ConvertKit, et cetera, I will put links to down below and also on my site in the vault. Okay, if you haven't already, hop over to my site, click on resources and register for the vault. Anything that I mention in my videos is listed in here and I sort it out by topic. So if you click on email and list building, it'll take you down here. And there's a little thing for ConvertKit. And many, like I said, many of the things or the services offered here, we've actually gotten partnerships from. And so our clients and community members and students are able to get a discount from many of these because we're partnering with them. So there is that. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the forms section and I'm going to go down and I'm going to bring up the Facebook Bot Basics course. Okay, so now so here's what it looks like, and I showed you how I created this in a separate one. So now instead of just going to like success, you signed up, it's going to redirect to my website. I'm also going to go ahead and put a link to here. Okay, so I'm going to put a link. And that is signing them up for my, okay, and then I'm also going to say visit the blog. Okay, cool. So then I have that and I'm going to go ahead and click publish. And for anyone who signs up for my email list, I'm also offering them, I didn't advertise that, but as of right now, I'm offering anyone who signs up, I'm going to send them a special email, okay, after they sign up to my list, and they get to enjoy 1 month of my VIP community where I do deep diving and answer questions one-on-one inside of a community. I'm giving them their first month of community coaching access to me and asking questions for $11, which is pretty cool. So I send them the little coupon code, and that's just another one of the ways that I'm constantly trying to help my community members, connect them to the offers that I have that can hopefully fill a need. So yeah, there's that. So that is how I use a secret page on my website and connect it to my email landing page so that I can drive traffic to my site and just it's kind of like the McDonald's concept. You're always doing, you know what I mean? Like you're always trying to do, you want to fry with that? So you're always offering the next step for them. Okay. That is actually an Instagram picture. I don't want that image. Oh, let's see. Let's upload a media. I'm going to go to my computer here. Where is that messenger one? And I'm trying to be consistent in my branding. So there we go. So I'm always trying to use the same image. So if you see the same image that's here on my, let me see here. No, I'm going to do 100%. Okay, so there, that looks better. Or maybe, you know what, maybe I'll do 80. Yeah, I'll do 80 because then this is still the focus. Okay, so the same image that I used here, this is like a branding tip, by the way, making sure that you're always being consistent with your imagery. And like I said, so when I have this as the background on that list, people will feel much more comfortable on this website if they see the same exact image that they just saw. Okay, so that is one of those things, that's one of those like little tips and branding, so when they see the same image, it builds consistency, it builds trust, it builds loyalty, and essentially those are always the things that you're trying to build with your community and with your audience. There are thousands of other marketers out there, right? So you have to make sure that you're standing apart and you're using consistent branding and imagery and building the connections. Because at the end of the day, people are not going to be loyal to your services. You have to make sure that people would follow you and connect with you, even if you didn't have whatever services it is that you want to offer, right? So, and that's just one of those things, like, what if you ever didn't want to do what you're doing now with your business? Would you have to completely rebrand? Or do you have an audience that's built on something deeper than just the product, service, or business or niche or industry that you're in? When you have that deeper connection to your clients, you can swap out that product or business can be interchangeable because you are truly building influence and community. So that was a separate tip, but I'm going to go ahead and hop off here. If this was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And I would love to have you come connect with me over on my blog or my social media. Um, yeah, I've got lots of different stuff that I'm offering, from my courses to VIP community, and I just have a lot of fun connecting with people. So this is the home for all of my things here, which is saramichaels.com. From that place, you can get to, my YouTube or my Instagram and everything like that. So thank you for watching the video. I would love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know where you're coming over from, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next training.